Hey guys, welcome to day one of our Vegas trip. As you can see, we were in a pretty packed car on our way to the airport. This is my favorite view on the way to San Juan Airport. We got there with an hour to spare and the line for TSA was super long, so we were kind of nervous, but we made it to our flight just in time. We went from San Juan to JFK and then JFK to Nevada. This was our first flight. I studied the whole way and actually took an online class because I had Wi-Fi. So that was awesome. The lunch was amazing, super delicious. And we arrived to JFK with 2 hours of our layover. So we just walked around, kind of saw the airplanes, everything that was around, and then we boarded our flight to Nevada. Once again, I had Wi-Fi, so I studied and ate, but unfortunately it was too dark for me to show you. But we arrived around 11:30 p.m. and made it to the Wynn Encore to check in at midnight. Surprisingly, the line to check in was super long and there was only one front desk agent at the moment, but this is the lobby and I'm going to walk you through a little bit. You're going to see the lobby, the casino. It's really cool because they have some shops inside, which I will show you later in the video, but I'll just walk you through it. The first night was a little bit of a messy night because they had given away our room, so we had to go to a smoking room and it wasn't on a higher floor as requested, but then we were able to change the next day, so things got a little bit better. But yes, I'm going to let you enjoy the walkthrough and then I'll explain a little bit about the room. So this is our room. Basically the one that we got our second day there was the exact same layout, just a different view. So it's pretty self-explanatory. I'm just gonna let you enjoy the room tour, but it was a beautiful room and the view was insane. What you're about to see is my sister trying not to be on camera, so you're gonna see a lot of awkwardness going on. And then I noticed I also didn't want to try to be on camera, but there's reflections everywhere, so I'm so sorry. There was no way to escape it. But after this room tour, we decided to go to bed, and the next day we woke up and I want to show you my favorite feature of the room.
Alexa, open the curtains.
Okay.
Such a great view. I started my day off by actually going to the gym, which opened at 6:30, and then I came back and I had green tea. Took a shower. I got in my bathrobe after I washed my hair and I watched some TV. As you can see, like, I was living the dream in the morning, and I got some avocado toast from the little cafe downstairs. They have delicious cafes, delicious detox juices, and breakfast, so I recommend checking it out. And then we decided to walk through the Wynn Encore as well as the other Wynn, which is a different hotel, don't get them confused, but they are connected, as you can see right here. It's kind of the exact same theme. You have the casino, you have the stores, and then all of a sudden they have a little shop section that we walked through, and it leads you outside to the strip. So you're actually going to join us as we walk through it and head out to the strip. now we've made it outside to the Vegas Strip. It was a beautiful day out. The weather was supposed to be in 50s, and honestly with the sun, you couldn't feel it that cold. It was awesome weather. We walked the whole strip over to Hell's Kitchen to have lunch. So I'll let you enjoy the view, and I will see you at Hell's Kitchen. Okay, I know I only showed you a little bit of Caesar's Palace from the outside, but we did end up going later that night inside, and I must say it's kind of the same thing as all the other hotels, so I show you my other favorite ones. But across, I would say the street, but there's no street, so across from Caesar's Palace is Hell's Kitchen, where we went for lunch. My sister is a huge fan of the show, and I used to watch it all the time too, so we were all super excited to go, and I must say the food was so good. It was our first food legitimately in Vegas, and it was such a great start to the trip. Of course, we got lobster risotto, also the scallops, we got the beef tenderloin that I did not record because I was so hungry. We also got this cute dessert, and behind it is a sticky toffee pudding. Even though this one's taking all the limelight, the other one was so good. Then afterwards, we went to see the Bellagio fountains, which was a great experience. We also went inside, but I'm telling you, you see one hotel in Vegas, you see them all. Please don't come for me for this. This is my opinion, but it's just a bunch of casinos and kind of a European theme. So I'm going to show you my two favorite hotels, which is the Paris Las Vegas, because I love everything Paris, and the Venetian, because it's a super cool Italian theme. So enjoy. Back to my controversial topic, let me know down below if you think all the hotels in Vegas look the same or if it's just me. But after walking what felt miles through the strip and looking at all these shops, we built quite the hunger. So we went to Mezumi over at the Wynn. It's in the lobby. It's a very cute Asian restaurant with this beautiful fountain outside, and the food was so good. They made the fried rice in front of us. They brought us a little bit of everything because we ordered a little bit of everything, and the food was so good. Like, the bar kept being set higher and higher every time we ate in Vegas. So while the hotels look the same, the restaurants are definitely not the same. But that is the end for day 1. Thank you so much for joining me. If you like this video, make sure to stick around. I have 2 more videos of our Vegas trip coming up because we went over to the Grand Canyon, Hoover Dam, as well as the Valley of Fire. So stick around and I will see you in the next one. Bye!